What's up? Trying more hot stuff. This time it's the KFC Nashville Hot Chicken. Yeah, I got it in the meal. Chicken, so you get coleslaw, of course the biscuit. You ever notice how this new logo of the Colonel, it's a big head, tiny legs and tiny arms? Yep, Nashville Hot. I've only been through Nashville, never actually to Nashville. Some spice. Decent flavor. A little heat, but I'm not dying. Looks like there's a bunch of extra sauce down here. See if we can scoop some of that up. Try that. Okay, now we got a nice bit on that from I don't know, I guess whatever sauce is just laying in there. Let's try that. Okay, a little more heat from whatever sauce that kind of collected or spilled over or off of those, whatever it is. A little more heat. Still flavor's okay, but it's not kicking my butt. Got a little bit of tingling on my tongue and in the back of the throat. Let's go and try it with the KFC sauce. KFC sauce is nice. Yeah, just it's not kicking my butt. It's not. I mean, it's hot, or I guess it's kind of hot. It's kind of spicy, but it's yeah. I mean, it's a good flavor. Don't get me wrong. It's a good flavor, but for spice, it's not, overwhelming. Got a little bit of tongue tingle, but yeah, it's not gonna make me cough and wheeze and cry, which I guess why would you want that anyway? That's not fun. But yeah, it's not kicking my butt.
Can I try? No, I'm gonna try. I'm probably gonna die. Okay, yeah, it has spice. Okay. I don't like that.
Why?
Too much of a kick for me.
Too much of a kick for you? I mean, it's got a little punch, but it's not gonna hurt.
Well, my lips are burning.
Yes, I do think that's funny. Okay, I got this other piece. It's got a little more of the liquid sauce that was sitting on the bottom, not the sauce chunks, but the liquid sauce. So again, I mean, this has got good flavor. It's just not spicy. I mean, it's spicy, but it's not kicking my butt spice. So, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. It's decent. So yeah, that's what we got.
I mean, the spice is good, but it's spicy for me.
I don't know how many more of this spicy stuff I'm gonna do. Just some stuff that's just coming up. Like, oh hey, let's try that. So yeah. So thanks for joining us again, and yeah, enjoy life and get outside. Get outside and enjoy life. Thanks. check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.